there are those who don't enjoy the roar of an engine. Perhaps they are sailing purists, or haven't gotten to really know a motor. But for those who love our heavy metal beasts, we are captivated by the sound of the rhythm of the pulsating iron heart. We'll get to Simone the Perkins diesel later. Well, just got another job from Ibu. He just made me a ceiling tile here, replaced the old one that was all nasty and mildewed and gross. And I noticed I have a leak from the gooseneck that's up there where all these wires are coming in. I'm gonna fix that too. It's been a good thing I'm doing this whole bathroom makeover. Not really changing anything, I'm just cleaning it up. It's looking good and feeling good. It's really hot out here, and I never thought I would do this, but I'm gonna take a swim. The water actually looks fairly clean today. Got the right current, and doesn't look too disgusting, so I'm going for it, man. Just the way to acclimate. I already had to dive in once to rescue my dinghy because it was stuck under the pontoon because of the tide. I was having a beer, and then everybody's saying, oh, stay along, stay a little longer, and I stop, and I'm like, no, I gotta go. And I get back, and my dinghy had drifted under the pontoon there. I had to jump in and pull it out of there. And then a couple days ago I came home and slipped and fell in the water trying to climb onto my boat. Luckily my phone and everything was in a waterproof bag, and I was in this dirty water and nothing happened. So today I'm going to go for a voluntary swim. Kind of disgusting, but yeah, so some of you will say, crazy go swimming in that disgusting water, and I am kind of crazy, but this is part of the adventure. And it's not that dirty today. It's actually okay. You know, it depends on the current. And there's like tons of fish and birds and wildlife. So nature will take over. And I can't be afraid of a little nature. And today was just a nice day. That was a nice little quick swim. So, am I crazy? We'll see if I get any infections. Let's go check it out. Make sure I don't have any open wounds. It'll be fine. It'll be fine. Let's see what Arona is up to with Simone. Ah, yes. He wants to start her up. All right. I gotta see this. Ça brûle. Well, that's pretty darn impressive. Arona was just getting the air out of the fuel system, and now he's tightening the injectors after the air was let out. Let's go. Okay, fuel is in the system. Again, let's go. Amazing, man. I love this guy. What a champion. Again. Now he's going to test something else. Giallo's exhaust elbow. And it works. Spitting water and exhaust. And it looks really cool. I'm so happy about Simone. Now I can go home and just relax. Relaxing will have to wait a bit, man. But I'm chilling, though. The rain is fresh. Storms here don't last long. They start off looking big and bombastic, threatening to heave and puff until they finally do. Like a heavenly sneeze. Then the fury settles like the aftermath of an intimate quickie, as if the wind is catching its breath. Ah, that was nice, the deity thinks. I'll let the humans sleep now. Sometimes I feel like I'm in the Matrix. Now Arona is putting it together with everything, all the electrics, the alternator, the cooling waters, salt and fresh or coolant, and he's going to try to get it to start that way and see how everything is running that way. It's almost ready, man.
Je l'ai déjà démarré, donc maintenant là je veux le démarrer avec le circuit normal, avec l'eau douce, tout monter pour faire les tests avec le refroidissement. Donc là je suis en train d'installer l'alternateur pour que la croix de la pompe à eau puisse fonctionner pour faire circuler l'eau douce dans le bloc.
Okay.
I'll let Arona work. I don't want to be looking over his shoulder. Plus, I got my own crap to do. I'll check in later.
Oh.
Like I said at the beginning, I'm one of those who loves my heavy metal beast, captivated by the sound and rhythm of the pulsating iron heart, like the rhythm section of a soul band. And there are few of us who are uniquely connected to these metal wonders. They hear things others can't.
Il y a un injecteur qui perd de la compression.
Huh.
Ça, je les ai redémontés à l'essence, je les vais. Et en le remontant, c'est le joint.
A diesel engine like Simone the Perkins 4108 is the steel pulse of Galopin.
On coupe avant que je flingue la turbine. C'est ça
La
qui
turbine,
souffle,
là.
C'est ça qui souffle comme ça. Bon.
Lundi. Well, in a wonderful world of being a YouTuber, you need to have equipment that works. And right now, I have a monitor, a screen that's not working. And it's been fidgety for the past few months. It goes on and off, and it's because of the HDMI cable connection is messed up. And now it's finally gone. Try to fix it. I've got it all opened. And I figured out it's right here in the port for the HDMI cable. You see this right here? It has to be soldered in there. I don't know how to do that. I tried. I can't do it. I'm gonna have to find somebody to solder this back in there and it should work. Because I had it in there for a second, it worked, and then it, the bolt moved around and connection came loose again. So I need somebody to do this right. I'm not qualified for this. Now my friggin' editing suite looks like this. I'm bummed out. But stay positive. We'll figure out something. Otherwise I'm gonna have to buy a new screen, which I don't really want to. I don't really have the money. All right, let's go see if we can find somebody to do this. So when you need to get something fixed, what do? Well, you come over here. And like I needed my screen to be fixed, I gotta come over here and ask somebody who can help me fix it. There's always a bunch of people here. You got ideas and stuff. See if somebody can help me fix it. And they told me, Cham can do it. Qu'est-ce que tu as fait avec mon moniteur?
Ouais, sur le moniteur, voilà, je l'ai abonné chez un ami technicien. Et il a regardé, bon voilà, il a dit que c'est possible à réparer, donc.
Okay, friends, this week's video depends on this part right here. I just had it fixed. There's no way I could solder this thing on there. I tried to and I burnt my thumb. So let's let the professionals do what they do best. Otherwise, I'm screwed. Gonna have to get a new monitor, or I don't know. Positive thinking, Alex. Positive thinking. It works! Yes! Senegalese ingenuity, Senegalese fix it.
Quand je lui ai donné, bon, il a regardé, puis il a bien fait.
Et il l'a bien fait, exactement.
Alex est content.
Woo! I was ready to spend like $200 on a new monitor. Well, why? I mean, it cost me like 15. I love you, Senegal. I love you, Africa. You're the best.
welcome to Galopin. These are our studios, man. This is where the magic happens. It's humble, but it gets the job done. It's because of the great people like you on Patreon who make this happen. This Living Adventure series. I hope you'll join our community. We've got some extra perks like live updates, news, photos, videos, and I've even taken a stab at writing some short stories which are not for general audiences on YouTube. And our friend Graham from Australia set up a WhatsApp chat to aptly called Galopin's Cockpit. Guys from all over have joined, and it's this community that's contributing to the continuation of this Living Adventure series. If not, you can always watch us for free on YouTube. Make sure to give us a like or a dislike, make a comment, make your opinion heard. I'll try to get back to you. Thanks for watching this episode of Winded Voyage, a real Living Adventure series. It's not fake, baby.